can you have more than one Kodi build on your device at any one time? Yes, yes you can. And luckily you come to the right place, because this channel, when we do talk about Kodi builds, we only do mention Kodi builds that come with a Kodi fork. Kodi fork is basically a modded Kodi app, you know, basically a copy of Kodi. So you can have the official one there, and you can add in these extra applications. These we call them forks, and you can have different builds on them. You can add on your own add-ons, whatever you want to do, and it won't affect or interfere with your original Kodi application. All right, so we've got a number of we've got a number of main what do we say, Kodi builders, developers who have Kodi forks. You've got Doomsday, you've got Chains, you've got Fun Wizard, you've got 666 Mafia, you've got who's the other one? The Realist, you've got Red Wizard, you've got Misfit Mods, and I think that's about it. Oh yeah, you got Diggs as well. It's got Kodi forks. So the one who's got the most Kodi forks is definitely is the one that I'm always pushing and promoting, is 666 Mafia. He's got over 100. Is it 100? He's probably got 200 Kodi forks, because he's got 32-bit forks and 64-bit forks. So he's got the largest collection of Kodi 21.3 forks. Doomsday just got the two, a 36 and a 64, and the others now, I believe, have just got like Kodi 21 or Kodi 21.2 or Kodi 21.1 forks. So each video that I show of a Kodi build, you always see at the beginning of it a downloader code that will give you access to a Kodi fork, that will give you access to the build. Some of these forks have wizards, but a majority of them all have repositories, so that once you install it, you have to go into the settings if there's no wizard there, and you don't need to enter a URL at all, because the wizard or the repo is already installed. So it's very user friendly if you got, you know, a Fire Stick or something like that. You know, when you enter in stuff with remote control, it's a bit silly. But using the remote control with a Kodi fork is easy peasy. All right then, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.